3, 2, 1, go!
This year, the Chinese teams did not ship their vehicles to Malaysia. Instead, they bought 2 competition vehicles in Kuala Lumpur, modified and prepared them in the local workshops according to the specifications of the event. They flew into the country at regular intervals before the event for training and practice. A good move by their team leader from Fushan, Guangdong province. This resulted in an overall better ranking this year as compared to previous Chinese entries.
Bruto. Taca minha. Team Sicilia. Italia. Italia.
Next, the second Chilean team gets ready to tackle the special stage. Unlike the first team, this one has better luck on their side. They have moved along well with the event with no breakdowns and no careless mistakes. Every obstacle was tackled smoothly without any hitches. At the end of the event, this was one of those teams who managed to conserve their vehicles without major breakdowns.
What time?
2:33:19.
Penalty, no?
No.
Among the European contingent, the largest entry came from Poland, a total of 6 vehicles ranging from all shapes and sizes like this one, a specially prepared and modified vehicle which is in a class of its own. This peculiar hardware is accompanied by a highly experienced and battle-hardened crew who has competed in many 4x4 battles in Europe. They are ready to get wet, get dirty and get things done anytime under any conditions. The winch cable is repaired and they went on to finish this special stage within the DNF time.
RainForest ปีนี้นะคะ2-3 วันแรก4 วันนั้นไม่มีอะไรเลยเพิ่งมาตื่นเต้นวันนี้เองค่ะวันนี้ดี
Meanwhile, the largest Malaysian entry comes from Kedah with 5 vehicles. The 2 competitor teams comprised of the ladies and this one. Kedah Adventure Team, a newly formed group, is determined to show off the colors of Kedah and what its off-road team can do. From what we can see, they have the spirits and the capabilities to catch up with the strong contenders. A good showing by Kedah Adventure Team in the event. From down under, this Aussie team took a turn for the worst.
Coming out, where are you? I'm at the back. What? I'm at the back.
But no worries from this tough and experienced team. It's get up and get going. They put their vehicle back in position and went on to finish the event.
Now let me get in.
Next, it's a transport stage to Sungai Dala. By now, they have reached the halfway mark of the event after changes to the route. More crisis management, but the special stages continue. A night exercise will be carried out at 2100 hours.
1, go!
Another newcomer team, this time from Hungary, makes their move into the darkness of this Night Stalker special stage. Their adaptability to the humid conditions of a tropical jungle is something to be respected. And along with the rest of the competitor teams, a little rest before the start of a special stage is good enough. They have the energy and stamina to keep on going. Even though first time to Malaysia, they are no newcomers to tough events, having competed across Europe. But they have noted, unlike home, there are many different types of obstacles all located within a small vicinity. A very unique experience for off-roading as well as making friends from around the world. The night special stage dragged on till 4:30 a.m., taxing the stamina of both the competitors and officials. Morning at last, another taxing day ahead.
At last, day 7 of the Simex RainForest Challenge. We are now at Sungadala. Another SS is taking place now at the river of Sungadala. This is going to be an exciting day because most of them from here we move on to the Terminator, where more awesome obstacles will await.
Yes, the beginning of the Terminator is close by. While the scouts move ahead, the marshals kept the competitors heated up with one fast and furious special stage to keep their adrenaline flowing for the challenge to come. Apart from Kedah and Sabah, the other Malaysian teams came from Selangor, Perak, Kuala Lumpur and Johor. The local teams have caught up with their foreign counterparts in terms of hardware, unlike the earlier years. They have also learned to catch up in the driving and recovery techniques. By this time of the event, it's all systems go. They have 2 more days to gain as much points as they can get. No room for errors, which will be costly in terms of overall ranking.
Your language.
Jest bardzo fajnie, jesteśmy już mocno zmęczeni, ale jedziemy dalej.
Chcemy skończyć rajd, chcemy jechać do domu, skończyć. Jak najszybciej w domu chcemy być.
The young guns from Poland have every reason to smile. They are the front runners among the foreign teams. They enjoy the thrills and spills of the jungle. And even though they are confident to face anything, they have full respect for the might of Mother Nature and the law of the jungle. Prior to the event, they said they would take everything in their stride, go easy on themselves and on their vehicles, conserve and live to fight another day. But when it's time to push, they know how to be like a cheetah. With skills and strategy, it looks like they would be smiling again at the closing ceremony. But right now, it's full concentration to the last special stage at the Twilight Zone.
And look, where is penalty?